Welcome to my YouTube channel English Classroom with Poonam Teacher, where knowledge never ends. If you like my videos, then like, share and subscribe. Animals. Animals poem is written by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman is a major figure in early American poetry. In an age when all poetry was rhymed and metrical, Whitman made a break with tradition and wrote a revolutionary new kind of poetry in free verse. So we come to know our poem Animals is written in free verse, where no meter, no rhyme words or no any rhyming scheme. He was nonconformist in all respects, including his social life. Nonconformist means who is not believing on the social customs and traditions which were prevalent at that time in American society. The poet tells us that he feels more at home with animals than humans, means he likes to live along with animals compared to human beings. He finds complicated and false. He finds to whom complicated and false? To human being. Human beings are complicated and false for him. So let's learn the poem Animals. I think I could turn and live with animals. They are so placid and self contained. Here, poet Walt Whitman is telling he thinks that he could transform. Here, turn means to transform himself into the animals, and he would like to live along with animals. But why? Because they are so placid, they are so calm, they are not easily upset and self contained. Here, self contained means self satisfied. Then, poet is telling, I stand and look at them long and long. Poet is standing and observing the animals for a long time. So, here we can find out long and long repetition of the words, and so our figure of speech is repetition. They do not sweat and whine about their condition. Here they means animals. Means animals are not tired and they are not whine means they are not complaining about their condition. If animals are not giving complaint about their condition, means definitely who are giving? Human being. They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. If animals do not lie awake, means animal रात को जागते नहीं है. Why? Because they are not doing any kind of sins. There is no need for weep means to cry. Because they are not doing any kind of sins, any kind of wrong deeds in their life. So here Walt Whitman is telling, like human being, animals are not crying at night. They are not awake at night. Why? Because they are not doing any kind of wrong things or wrong deeds in their life. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. Here, poet wanted to tell animals do not make him sick. Do not make him sick means they not disgust him. How they are not disgust him? By discussing his duty to God. Means definitely human being is discussing the poet's duties towards the God. And animals are not doing such way. Not one is dissatisfied. Not one is demented with the mania of owning things. Not one is dissatisfied means everyone is satisfied, and not one is demented. Here demented means the mad with the mania of owning thing. No one is the mad with the craze of owning things. If animals don't have the craze of owning things, then who is having the craze of owning things? Definitely the human being is having mania, the craze of owning things. And such kind of things we are not finding out in animals. And so the poet would like to live along with the animal. Not one kneels to another, not to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. Not one kneels means one animal never kneels means bend down in front of other animal of his same kind that lived thousands of years ago. मतलब एक एनिमल दूसरे एनिमल के सामने नहीं झुकता जो उसके ही जैसा है. He might be lived so many years ago, but then also one animals never bend in front of the other animal. But according to the poet, human beings are doing the same. They are bending in front of each other. A poor person is bending in front of a rich. Even so many years before, who were the people, who were the person, in front of them human being is bending and thinking them as the god. Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. Not one is the respectable means everyone is the respectable, and everyone is not too happy or everyone is not unhappy over the whole earth. About animals, poet is telling about animals. So they show their relations to me and I accept them. According to the poet, which qualities a human being should possess, all those qualities he can find out in animals. And so he is telling, they show their relations to me and I accept them. Poet can find out all those values in animals and he accept those all the values. They bring me tokens of myself, they evince. Here the tokens means all the good values which we have to follow in our life. But who are showing them? Animals. They bring me token of myself. Actually all those values who should possess? The poet is telling I should possess. But I learn those values from whom? Animals. They evince means they show where they are showing in their behavior. Then plainly in their possession. In their possession means in day-to-day life. When the poet is observing the animals, he can find out those values among the animals. I wonder where they get those tokens. Now the poet is having the question. He is wondering from where animals are getting such kind of tokens. Here tokens means all the values, all the good things which he can find out in animals. And in last line the poet is telling, did I pass that way huge times ago and negligently drop them? Did I pass that means maybe so many years before human being was also having such kind of good values. Even the writer was having such kind of good values. But as the time passes ahead and negligently dropped them, the poet has not taken care about them, those values. And negligently means here not paid the proper attention, not taken the proper care and dropped them. He missed those values somewhere else. But today also he can find out all the good values of animals in their possession, in their behavior. So beautifully Walt Whitman has given the good qualities of animals through this poem. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly do like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to to get the notification of my new videos.